Hello everyone, another week here we have with the Swing VIP Forex bot. We have the third week review. It was in general good week actually, with the fewer trades or orders, but in general it was in profit week. It was good. Let's start over. So here it is my account, the real account. We can see we have around 17 open trade, float one with the total loss of 258. But remember, we have this trade which is out of the system. I have made it by myself before, so you can just remove it and you will get 191 with the losing trade. It was interesting week actually. I didn't change also my lot size. You can see it is all 0.04, as they are advising that for each $500 you should have 0.01. So basically I have almost 3,000 here. I'm not I didn't raise it before, but in the next week I will raise it for 5, not 6, because I still have this stupid trade from all days, so I don't want to exaggerate in the trading. I just want to be balanced. So yeah, so for the next week I will start acting with 0.05. What else? Let us check out the Myfxbook and stuff over there. So by the way, I had a problem in my live streaming, so starting from the tomorrow I will work on the live streaming again, so check it out and just see how it works. So here it is my account. You remember last week when it was hectic here, like we had a big drawdown and then it is just recovered itself now. For this month we can see we have 7% up, which is great for 1 week, for only 1 week. Guys, you know, like I have a goal each month. I have to achieve 5% only, but with this bot I really like 7% in 1 week, which is cool. We have for this month, I'm talking this month because, you know, we have only 1 week in this month, so the same is reflected here, same amount of data. So we have around 70% win trade, and yeah, we have we have for that also. Let us check here. Here are my 17 or 18 trade open ones with the lost, floating lost, and let's check out here. So for this month here, we are in March, 7%. We can see a UDCAD. These are the 5 pairs which we are working on usually, and the mostly heavily currency popular for this month is the USD CAD. Like we can see, it is a huge amount here. 30% is getting from it. Almost 40% of all trades are from this pair. Then AUD CAD. Let's us check something else, guys. I want to show you for this week. I have made this small Excel, so you can see, guys, how we progress week by week. So this is the first week, which was only for 2 days actually, not 5 days, only for 17 and 18 and yeah, and 19, 3 days maybe. And this is second week. It was a crazy week here, and then the third one for the last week. So we can see, I just put here the date, so you can, guys, check the differences between the dates and how many lots I'm getting for each week. And here is my drawdown. So for the first week we had nothing. Here in the crazy week it is almost more than 30 basically. It was like 35, something like this. And last week it was 5%, which is good. And here we can see how many orders closed during this the period. Here in the week we can see here 10 trades, here 70 trades, so and here 62. It is a little bit lower than 1 week previous. We can see here the closed wins, like here it is almost 90% are won. Here, like from 70 we got 43 won and 27 lost, and here from 62 44 won and 18 with loss, ended with loss. And here is our net profit loss for each week by week. So here we have $66, almost $200, almost here again $220. And again, I'm calculating my floating profit and loss. We can see here it is minus 200, minus 250, minus almost 200. And beware guys that this floating loss, it is include one trade which I took it before using this system. So you have to like reduce almost $70 from each one so you can get the real floating system. And here is the total results. So for 3 weeks, using only this system without doing any manual trades, we have achieved almost $500, almost. So it seems really nice system. I hope it will continue like this, and we will see. And here we can see the chart on the first week, how much have you won, second week and third week. And I can put them in pips if you'd like, or in percentage if you'd like, guys. So yeah, for the next week, we will see the results and continue from that. Let us check other people who are using this system, Myfxbook. So here it is, this one, Swing VIP, AutoFX, and we can see like he achieved almost 4%. I don't know why there is this difference. Maybe he is just doing some other manual trades. Anyway, it is still in profit. He is still in profit, and we can see here, like see here the big drawdown 1 week previously, and now it is just recovered, seems recovered. When we go to another account here, let me just refresh, and it is for who goes away. We can see here again, like it is, the balance is going up. But I don't know, something happened to Hugo's account because the drawdown didn't recover. I'm not sure if the system had problem in setup or with his VPS or something. And by the way, usually he is putting a review for 1 week. He didn't put any review for this week. So I'm not sure what happened with him actually. In all the cases, I can see that this month he made almost 5 or 6%, which is good. We will see. I'm keeping my eye on his account, on his YouTube channel, to see what's going on over there, and I will put update for that next week if he just publish any new video. And we can see here are the floating losses and open trade for him. They are too much. I don't know why there is such a difference between my account and his account. He is almost like $500 in loss. Floating, by the way, floating loss. And here it is 5% or 6%. Like here it was what was the percentage? 4. For me it is 7 actually. I'm not sure why this difference is happening. And then let us check their system. This is the official Myfxbook for their system. We can see here again the drawdown, and then it is just recovered. And for this month they made only 1%, which is a little bit weird for me, because maybe they are not using the lot size they have recommended for us, because they are saying for each 500 you have to use 0.01. Maybe their account is bigger, but their trades are they don't want to risk. So let me check the history, maybe you can find some out here. So yeah, they are using 20, 0.20. Before it was 0.15, now it is 0.20. But I'm not sure why this difference is like 1% from an account to another account. Maybe also it is the spread between each broker, it's affecting the thing, and the commissions, because in my broker I don't use they don't take a swap or commission from me for each trade I take. So yeah, this is all here. So hopefully you have got good information from this review. I will keep you posted, guys, for the next weeks with the result. And please don't forget to see the live streaming. I will just open it, and if you like it, if you like this review, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. Plus, I will include a link for this system if you would like to buy it, and you will get, like, there is a discount code. You can use it so you can get discounted price. And yeah, that's all for now. By the way, the guys Scenery Advice, the guys who made this system, now they are promoting for another system which working for gold, and they are claiming that it doesn't affect by news. I don't know. I will keep working on this swing VIP for now. I will not do anything else. So keep tuned, and happy new week, and hopefully it is full of profit for you. Thank you and take care.